Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Riskshield token. Now the Riskshield token is getting a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange. Ticker symbol is RSY. This token will be listed November 29th. We're going to go over the information on the Riskshield token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Riskszield's Decentralized Insurance Protocol is a solid backing for DeFi users and aims to provide credible, robust, and worry-free DeFi insurance services. The platform runs on the Arbitrum and has unique characteristics including extremely low premiums, reliable income opportunities, rich product lines, and low threshold entry conditions. So this token is on the Arbitrum blockchain. I'm looking at their Arbiscan and it says they only have 2 holders on here, so it's safe to say that this listing date, November 29th, is going to be their initial listing date. So they're going right to a big central exchange. Total supply is 100 million tokens, and there's 18 decimal places on this token. And like I said, it's on the Arbitrum blockchain. So if you're looking to get this token, it's being listed November 29th at 8 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So all you would have to do if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search RSY, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. If you want to check out their Telegram, it is at Riskshield, real easy to find. 10,958 subscribers on there. It says a decentralized insurance protocol, the leading multi-chain DeFi insurance, making crypto safer. They have their Twitter. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over there so you guys can easily find that. At Riskshield7. 31 tweets so far, 11,100 Twitter followers, and then it has a link to their webpage, riskshield.link, if you want to go over there. You can also find a full white paper on their webpage, and that'll take you to riskshield.gitbook.io/white-paper. So with Riskshield, users can rely on unbeatable competitive pricing, cross-chain coverage, multi-chain accessibility, and sustainable returns. So Riskshield started as an initiative to establish a decentralized protocol that safeguards blockchain users' activities through cover protection, inspired by early pioneers of DeFi platforms and their product designs. Riskshield came up with a portfolio-based approach that maximizes value of its end users, while existing protocols build their foundations based on capital and consolidation. Riskshield advocates the practice of freeing up limitations through crypto security to help users realize better capital utilization. So why would you get Riskshield? Well, it's a driving force for improved protection. So DeFi, also known as open finance, is an ecosystem of financial applications developed on top of blockchain and distributed ledger systems. So several protocols have been built, largely differing solutions to address a massive disparity between TVL and coverage. They include mutual protection, financial derivatives, and prediction markets. And so far, mutual protection has remained the most dominant and effective approach to DeFi coverage. However, current offerings of mutual protection still have much room for improvements in risk management especially, and that's where Riskshield comes in. So they have high prices. See why other products are deficient. They have high prices, limited cover capacity, lack of coverage for new protocols, no cross-chain coverage, and lack of protection diversity. They have inadequate risk management for cybersecurity, concentration risk, claim assessment, and risk evaluation, and capital inefficiency, low reserve utilization, and unsustainable investment returns. So that's where Riskshield comes in and fixes all of these problems with a unique selling proposition. And they have zero cover payment, enriched product line, sustainable returns, continuous evolution. They have their whole business model on here. So some of the use cases it says here. They go over how to participate. So they go through this whole thing of Bob as an investor, Mary as an underwriter, Jack as a cover purchaser, and they talk about how those all work together. And then they go over the whole architecture, basically, of the users, operations, products, and infrastructure. They have the cover products, so optimized pricing models to substantial lower users' costs, investment functions, and SCR mining programs to generate sustainable returns for investors, coverage for DeFi products across multiple chains. And so Riskshield currently offers custodian risk coverage, smart contract vulnerability coverage, stable coin DPEG coverage, post-audit coverage, and bridge coverage. And it says more products will be released soon. They have like the full product list, and you can go through each one of how they work on their white paper if you like. They have a whole protocol section. They have tokenomics. So basically how the token is split up, 68% of the tokens went to strategic round, 15% team and advisors, 9% DAO reserves, 8% initial liquidity bootstrapping, and then, ticker symbols RSY. They have, their whole Arbiscan I already went through as well. It's on the Arbitrum blockchain. And then they have a very lengthy roadmap if you want to go over that on their white paper, but they just basically talk about a lot of the products and features that I just mentioned, but they just tell you when they're all coming out in what order. And then they're obviously getting new things like, partnerships, marketing, all that, more holders, all that type of stuff. And then a brand new Mexc Global Central Exchange listing starting November 29th, 8 o'clock UTC time. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.